Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Vore. In this episode, I'm going to do scallops a different way, a marinated scallop. Instead of the traditional salt and pepper scallop, which is very good, and some garlic butter, and again, very good, this time I'm going to make a marinade. So, if we look inside this bowl, I've got like 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to pour in some minced garlic, some fresh garlic, and lime juice. Mix that up in there. And then I have some sea salt, black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. I'm just gonna mix this up. And this is gonna be my marinade for these scallops. So now that's mixed up, I'm just gonna go ahead and take these beautiful sea scallops. You know, you can get fresh ones, which I'd highly recommend, or buy what you can at the store and make it up just like this. So let me just place these in here, just like so. And give it a quick stir, mixing this together. Oh, with that garlic, the red pepper flakes. This is gonna be amazing when we get this out on the grill. It's gonna smell so good. The neighbors are gonna be coming over to say, hey, what's cooking for dinner tonight? That's fine. But I'll go ahead and let this rest for at least an hour in the refrigerator. Not much more than that because there is lime juice in there, right? So I don't want to just try to cook the scallops with just lime juice. But put that in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, and we'll get this on the grill. All right, I'm out on the grill. It's about 375 on the grill, almost 400 degrees. And I'm gonna place the marinated scallops. I've already skewered them up. So they look great. This just makes it easy to flip them and turn them. So I'll just place them on the grill just like this. And cook them for about 3 minutes per side, and check it out here in just a few more minutes. I'll pour the rest of this marinade on that scallops. Oh boy, look at that smoke up. It smells delicious already. I can't wait. Okay, it's been what, three and a half minutes. I'm gonna check on the scallops. They look good. I'm gonna pull these off, hopefully. Actually, the one's sticking back here in the back. Got it. Rotate those a little bit. Oh, that looks great. Nice grill marks going on there. This one needs a little bit more time, so I'll just cook it a little bit longer. Get it over the heat. Rotate this other one. They're not wanting to rotate on me a little bit, but that's okay. I'll move this actually maybe here to the cooler side. Bring this over to the hot side. Cook this another at least 3 minutes here, and I'm gonna watch them real close. I don't want to overcook them. We're gonna watch them. All right, now that I flipped the scallops, I thought, you know what? Why not put some, Italian seasoning on it as breadcrumbs? Now you can use some panko, whatever, but I'm gonna just take out some this Italian seasoning, breadcrumbs, lightly. I'm just gonna lightly sprinkle these, just to give a little added dimension to this. Not that it needs it, but I just thought, you know what? This might taste really good. So let these cook a little bit longer here, and we'll check them here in a minute. Okay, it's been just a few more minutes, and I'm gonna check the scallops. I put on that Italian seasoning, breadcrumbs. Those look delicious. Oh wow, that's perfect. That's what I'm looking for in a scallop. They are definitely done. I'll go ahead and plate these up and get ready to go eat them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrilling.com.